Don't forget that if you don't do this job, if you've never done this job before, and you are doing it now for the first time, don't be worried that the pistons rise and fall, and with it the engine sort of moves quite fast in sections, because that's the pistons dropping. Right, bang on. Okay, here we go. And again, I thought I was quite early then. I thought I was quite early then, but I was actually almost. I'm going to do this by hand because I don't want to cross-thread this. I really don't want to cross-thread this. It doesn't want to go in for whatever reason. Oh no, it does. Okay. Okay, it's going in. It's going in nice and smooth, governor. So yeah, as I say, with the don't get tempted to wind the engine backwards, and don't over tighten that locking pin too much. You don't need to. Just needs to sit nice and flush. Move that out of your way so you don't get tempted to do anything with it. Set this to loosen. And take out the bridge on this side. And you literally just need to loosen these. And you can basically do the rest by hand. It's very awkward, there's not a lot of space in here. Bit fiddly, but it will go. Just loosen them. I don't do them that tight, specifically because there's not a lot of space and it'd be a pain to get them out again. So there we go, hand underneath. Up the skirt. Just lie that there. Take this back on. Okay. Quite oily, my hands. So I'm just going to clean them. I'm going to use the grippy part of this to get this out rather. Do the last bit by hand. You do not want these bolts falling into your engine. It would be a very bad Saturday. I'm not very good at editing videos, so I'll probably end up just posting all of this and putting time things about, you know, oh, this is the front bit, this is the rear bit. Because what I didn't realise is it's really expensive to buy like video editing stuff. I didn't think it'd be as expensive as it really is. So if you want to just literally add a picture to a video, you need really quite specialist software. Which costs a lot of money. I just want to post one video with one job. But the GoPro is so it does about 8 minutes and then it creates a whole new video. So I'd like to get one where it's quite low quality settings. That's probably what I should have done. Got really low quality setting, not really low quality, but quite low quality settings so that I could do a longer video in one go. Okay, here we go. 4mm, looking for 4mm. Total travel in the pin. So if I just line you guys up to where I think you will be able to see. There's the pin, 4mm, Don't want any more than 4, well, I don't want much more than 4 mil. Don't want any less than 4 mil. I'm going to make it so that I can see. That is... Alright, now I'll make it so that you guys can see. Not quite right on, but a fair bit of force on there. Yeah, that's at least 4 mil, maybe even 5 mil. I could nip that. And to do so, what you would do is, as you can probably tell I'm not going to, you got your 22 mil, I believe that's a 17 and that's an 8. I think it's an 8, possibly even a 6. Loosen that one, you don't need to loosen that one. Loosen that one, that frees that one, tighten that one ever so slightly, and then hold that one while, like when you do your chain, hold that one whilst you tighten that one, because if you tighten that one and you don't hold that one, it will take, you've already tightened that one against that one, but you'll take that one with it and it'll throw you off ever so slightly. So hold your 8 and do your, I'm gonna say 17, but it could be different. And then check again. So let's say you've nipped it up, fair bit of pressure. That is, now that's with the manual tensioners. With the standard tensioners, it's floppy as anything. If you know, you know. Right, there we go. I've checked my valve clearances, they're all good. Thank God. I didn't want to take my radiator off. I'd only just done the oil and the coolant, so I really didn't want to have to take the radiator off again, because it's a right pain lifting the front 50 centimeters. If you've got this bike, you'll know it's a bit of a laborious job. Yeah, I'm going to take this GoPro off my head because it's quite sweaty now. Not sweaty, but it's quite warm. So, what was I looking for? It might be a little bit easier now that I'm holding it. What was I looking for? I'll just look at my phone to make sure I'm looking at the right bit. So, 4 mil of total travel. Where are we? Here. There we go. 4 mil. Let's do it that way. Okay, well, there we go. Boom.